perfect.
I don't seem any nearer to finding the match for me.
It's not like I'm Samantha who wants a Jewish Keanu Reeves.
It's not that I'm some klutz who can't get dressed appropriately. I need a mensch.
I need a guy who can impress my parents, you see.
He's a good boy.
And I need a girl who can cook a decent meal.
And a guy who cleans up after me.
I need a mensch.
I need a guy who can pay the bills adequately.
And I need a girl who avoids spending cash and uses credit sparingly.
That was a close one.
I need a mensch.
You need a mensch. We need a mensch.
She should be tall and blonde and rich. Are you writing this down?